is the view from the terrace. As you can see, you can see the port from your terrace. Okay, then we will go to, so this is the stairs. Okay, so this is the first room. Okay, then from the first room window you could also see the view of the port. Okay, this is just in front of the front of the port of Tagbilaran City. Okay, just minutes away from Tagbilaran Port. Okay, so the ceiling is done, the lights are there, the switch, the doors, the doorknob. Okay, let's go to the second room. Okay. This is second room. Okay. This is the aircon provision. Okay. Switch, light switch, doorknobs. Then let's go to the third room. Okay, there's the aircon provision. Uh, there's the cabinet, and this is the view of the third room from the window. Okay, and this is the door, the doorknob, then the switch. Then this is the switch of the CR, of the comfort room. Oh, so this is the toilet bowl. Then provisions for the shower still to be attached. Okay. Then we'll go downstairs. So this is the second floor of the townhouse. Then we'll go downstairs. This is the stairway. Uh, going to the ground floor. Okay. So this is the